there, it's Brenda Meller with Meller Marketing. Hey, I heard you're looking for a conference presenter. Well, guess what? I would love that opportunity to come out and train your team on how to unlock the power of LinkedIn. My name is Brenda Meller and I love presenting. I know that part of the success of your conference is the memorability of the event. Did your attendees, did they learn something meaningful? Did they have a fun time doing so? And was there opportunities for networking at the event? As a marketer and as an experienced national conference presenter, I understand the value you want to bring to your participants, and I would love to help you. I've been on LinkedIn as a brand ambassador, using it as a marketer. I've been training executives, I've been training teams, I've been training conference attendees for years, and I would love the opportunity to come out and help your group. During my session, you can expect a few things. One, bring their laptops into the session. We're gonna make this hands-on, and bring their smartphones with them as well. Make sure that the LinkedIn app is installed on the phone. We'll talk about topics like how to optimize your profile, how to create invitations that have a higher likelihood of being accepted by your ideal target audience, and then how to create posts that engage with your network on LinkedIn. If you're interested in booking me as a presenter, check out the link below here, and it'll include instructions on how to get the process started. I would love the opportunity to come out and help your group. One other thing I would suggest for you, go on my LinkedIn profile and you're gonna see some recommendations from some past clients. This is a tip that I teach every one of my attendees. Use recommendations to create social proof. If you're looking at hiring any other trainers for your conference, some of their past clients should also have some recommendations on their LinkedIn profile. So that's my little inside tip for you.